All right, so I thought this was pretty cool, so I thought I'd make a quick video about it. We got a little Miles electric truck. It's a little yard truck. Tops out at 25. Cool little thing, man. We're gonna be doing some upgrades to it here pretty soon, so I'll be making videos about that. But first things first, a bunch of the little plastic pieces in it have been breaking. So I have a 3D printer. It's actually really hard to find these things. Lo and behold, I'll just print them. That's the way I figure it. So I actually pulled the window roller upper knob. Keeps breaking off. Both the originals broke. So jumped into Fusion360 here and catted out a new knob. Right, transferred it over to Cura over here, so you can see transfers nicely. Sliced it. It's taken me quite a few tries. You can see all my trial and errors here. Getting the depth of this cut and using the correct plastic was important. I'm using PETG plastic to print these because it's got a little more flexibility to it. I'm actually getting ready to fire off a spare just to have it, but essentially the way this window arm worked is this just literally presses in. It's got to squeeze down and then pop back to retain. So here goes nothing. Bam. Here we are. In there, not broken. Perfect. I need to do a little more cleaning up here and sanding. The structure, it has to have structure because of the shape on the bottom, and I put these GC on there for Green Castle. The structure is really tough to get off this stuff, man. It bonds to itself really well, but it's supposed to be strong and flexible, so we'll see how it holds up. I'm gonna print a spare right now just to be safe, but let's go stick this one on the truck, man, and roll it up and down, see how it does. All right, here it is. Little Miles electric truck. You can see we've already put the oversized tires on the back. We'll be building a lift kit this week. Lift the front up, get matching tires. Probably prep this puppy and paint it, not gonna lie. The interior will come after. Let's see, squeeze this down on here. Boom. Look at that. Look at that. Got a window knob again. So the next step is, you'll notice these door handles are all broken. They also broke. So luckily I have access to a 3D scanner, so I'm getting the back plate scanned. I'll be printing the back plate. I've already catted out the door handle itself, so I'll be printing those and installing those soon. I also need to figure out a way to do the speaker grate, and I'll just replace both of those. And hopefully every piece of plastic in this thing, we'll just print it as they break. Otherwise, we'll clean up this outside here, get a cool little truck.